The Mad Catz GameSmart line of peripherals and accessories are designed to work equally well with both PC and Android devices. Joining this lineup is the TRITTON, a diminutive Bluetooth keyboard that is both very functional and portable. While this keyboard won't be replacing your desktop keyboard, it works very well for controlling devices connected to your HD TV from your couch or bed. The TRITTON has a very angular and glossy design, not unlike the NVIDIA Shield Android TV, which we recently reviewed. It can be paired with multiple devices, such as the PlayStation 4 and NVIDIA Shield Android TV, as well as smartphones, tablets, and PC. Since the keyboard is so tiny, the keys are much smaller than those on a full-size keyboard, and so it can be difficult to type quickly without looking at the keys. If you have very large hands, then the TRITTON is probably not for you. That said, the keys are responsive, and the keyboard seems like it would hold up to heavy use. In addition to being small, this keyboard is very light, about the weight of a TV remote. Although my typing on the TRITTON was slower than on a full-size keyboard, it was definitely much faster than with a touchscreen. There are 4 levels of brightness to the TRITTON's backlight controls, though unfortunately it only has one color, white. Still, it does a fine job of illuminating the keys at night, though of course leaving the lights on lowers the battery life. There are 4 rubber grips in the underside of the keyboard to keep it from sliding around on surfaces. Included with the TRITTON is a tablet stand, which can also be folded in a bit to hold the smartphone. It provides a good viewing angle when gaming, watching Netflix, or typing up a document. There is also a padded carry pouch included in the box, which can hold the USB cord and the tablet stand. The TRITTON features an optical finger navigation touchpad, as well as left and right click buttons and a scroll function. Once again, this won't be replacing anyone's dedicated mouse, but it works great for navigating websites and such from the couch. By holding down the function key, you can easily scroll up and down. A lot of similar actions are mapped to the function key to save space in the keyboard. One of the compromises that I disliked was that the function key has to be pressed to use the escape key. By default, it's the tilde key. This is backwards from just about any US QWERTY keyboard. With features like a built-in mouse, illuminated keys, multimedia controls, and a packed-in carry pouch and tablet stand, the TRITTON is easily recommendable for home theater PC or micro console use, and those with busy lifestyles can easily throw it into a backpack for typing and gaming on the go. The build quality is great, and it features a long battery life. Once you get used to the somewhat cramped layout and the small keys, this is a very useful, versatile mobile keyboard.